Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to go over my top 5 steps for a great virtual open house. Let's check it out. Number 1. Start on the outside of the house. I can't tell you how many virtual open houses I've seen over the last couple of weeks where they start on the inside. When you hold a normal open house, don't your buyers start on the outside? Curb appeal, first impressions, it all matters. Start out here, then move inside. Once you're inside, that leads us to tip number 2, which is turn on the lights, open the drapes, prep the house as if this is an actual live open house. Which leads us to tip number 3, which is come up with a plan. Walk the house before you actually go live and come up with a plan of what you're gonna film beforehand. Tip number 4, slow down your shots. People need time to see what you're showing them. A good rule of thumb is when something enters the frame, it should take 7 seconds for it to leave the frame. That's how slow you wanna pan each room. And finally, tip number 5, bring a second person along to help you film or just buy a gimbal. There's nothing worse than super shaky footage of a house where you can't tell what's going on or how big the rooms are or all the small details that everyone wants to see. Make sure that the footage is usable, clean, and nice and smooth. All right, one bonus tip. Always film your home tour videos in landscape, not vertical. This is great for 2 reasons. Number 1, your eyes are landscape. They're situated horizontally, so rectangle boxes are just easier for us to see. And number 2, you can fit more of the room in your frame when you film in landscape versus filming in vertical. Rooms fit easier in landscape orientation. Maximize the tools that you have at your disposal and your virtual open houses will be just as good, if not better, than the real thing. Thanks for watching.